Frank, come here. It's beautiful out here today. So here's the big ass widowmaker that we took down. It was dead, and it's going to be more than enough firewood for tonight. And but it was in relation to where we were camping, it was too close. And then all the other trees up top here, they all look good. Nothing dead, no hung up limbs. There's nothing to be worried about. But I'm just gonna go and break this thing down now. At least I'm gonna break down part of it.
decent truck. I'm like, just pick it up. You need it work. Yeah, just sell it. You keep the money. You know what I mean? I'm like, dude, this thing's sitting here forever. Like, and I actually drove it until like it was completely effed. You know what I mean? Like the starter went and everything. I had to like jump in.
Hey guys, it's about 7 o'clock or so. We got the fire going pretty good, thanks to Matt over there. Yeah, it's going really well. But we're gonna start prepping for dinner in probably about 20 minutes or so, and it's gonna be the old favorite steak and potatoes. But we've got some really good sirloin steaks, and yeah, I'm looking forward to it. It's starting to get a little bit chilly out here, but I think it's only about -7, -8 right now. We got the diesel heater hooked all up with a splitter. I bought a different splitter. The splitter that this unit came with was like a T splitter, and this is a Y splitter. And from doing some initial tests, it makes a big difference in obviously the amount of air going either direction. But we're going to get that diesel heater up and running later on tonight. It's not cold enough yet, and besides, we have a giant fire by Matt. Anyway, see you guys soon. Okay guys, so we're getting ready for dinner here, and we're doing a classic steak and potatoes. We're going to spice up things a little tiny bit, and going to definitely have some good food. By the way, thanks Jerry for the dope knife. Oh, keep it coming. Okay. Potatoes are coming along really good. I think Matt's excited. Oh, Frankie is. Even though he's just getting one baked potato, he doesn't know that yet. But I'm sure he's going to be pretty happy once he gets that going on. Two awesome steaks. These are two 14-ounce grain-fed steaks. So we're going to see how long it takes for these things to cook. We're going to have to pull some like it?
Love it.
Yeah? It's pretty funny. You bust my chops for like not eating potatoes, but steak and bread was okay. Morning, guys. Everything went pretty well last night. Diesel heater worked perfect. Frank finally settled down, and I think he got a good sleep. So, just gonna wake up here and make some breakfast, and then we're going to break camp and head out of here. Okay. I think they thawed out enough just to get them out. That's awesome. Okay, guys. Had a pretty good night last night. A little cold today. It's around -10, but the wind chill has been brutal. So we're going to be packing out. And yeah, thanks for watching, guys. And I'll see you on the next video.
Thanks for watching Back to Bush Outdoors.